Focus on building your franchise value by offloading your business communications to Unified Office's Total Connect Now Visual Performance Suite.
Unified Office has helped us with our growth. We've gone from 4 stores to 60 stores in 6 years, and Unified Office is part of that recipe. It helps us standardize our blueprint as we build or buy stores.
As a Domino's franchisee, we understand that there are a million things happening at once. You know how to make pizza, you know how to make your customers happy. Let us worry about handling the phones, outages, and some of the back-end stuff that maybe you don't know about.
At Unified Office, we deliver a powerful business-class communications managed service that offloads you and your operations personnel from day-to-day service delivery, network repair, wireless backup, and broadband management, so you can focus all your resources on growing your business.
Unified Office gives me one less thing to worry about and allows me to move on and expand my business and not get bogged down into little details. It gives me peace of mind.
So contact Unified Office today and begin growing your business.